The world can change in the blink of an eye. One minute, you're waving to your neighbor. The next, you're fighting to survive. When resources dry up, your supplies become a beacon for the desperate. That's why operational security, or OPSEC, is paramount. Imagine your friendly neighbor turning desperate. Be ready for the human element too. Today, we're diving into essential preps to keep under wraps. This isn't about hiding, it's about protecting what you've worked for. So let's get to it. Picture this. The power grid's down, darkness has fallen, but your family isn't huddled in the cold, eating dry rations. No, you've got a portable stove fired up, a warm meal simmering away. But remember, flaunting this capability attracts unwanted attention. Store your portable stove and fuel canisters discreetly. This keeps your family fed and comfortable. Imagine a wild storm raging outside, trees snapping like twigs. Your phone's dead, the internet's down, and you're cut off. This is where your unassuming crank radio comes into play, a lifeline to the outside world. Keep this little gem hidden away, not just from nosy neighbors, but from prying eyes in general. Crank radios are like gold dust in a crisis. They keep you informed, connected, and most importantly, one step ahead. We all love the comforts of home, especially a warm bed on a cold night. But when the power goes out and your fancy central heating system decides to take a vacation, you need a backup plan. Enter sleeping bags and space heaters. Opt for compact, fuel-efficient models that can be easily hidden away. Remember, the name of the game is discretion. Stay warm, stay prepared. Camouflage. The art of blending in. Camouflage gear isn't just for hunters or soldiers. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to avoid unwanted attention. In a grid-down scenario, blending in can be the difference between staying safe and becoming a target. A simple camouflage jacket or a pair of pants can help you disappear into the background. It's not about being invisible, it's about being forgettable. The less you stand out, the safer you are. Walkie-talkies, your off-grid communication network. When the cell towers go down and the internet's nothing but a distant memory, walkie-talkies become your lifeline to communication. Keep a set of these bad boys tucked away, fully charged and ready to go. They're invaluable for coordinating with family members, especially if you need to bug out or signal for help. Communication is key in any survival situation. Walkie-talkies provide a discreet and reliable way to stay connected when all else fails. Hydroponics, the secret garden. Growing your own food is a powerful form of self-sufficiency, and hydroponics takes it to the next level. A small, discreet system tucked away in your basement or a spare room can provide a steady supply of fresh produce. Remember, a well-maintained hydroponic system isn't just a source of food, it's a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness. Stay self-sufficient, stay prepared. Survival guides, your knowledge vault. Knowledge is power, and in a survival situation, it can be the difference between life and death. Having a collection of survival guides is like having a library of life-saving information at your fingertips. Keep these treasures hidden away, not because they're shameful, but because they're valuable. A well-read survivalist is a prepared survivalist. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep your knowledge close at hand. Home fortification, silent but strong. Your home is your castle, and in uncertain times you need to be prepared to defend it. Keep your security measures discreet but effective. Think reinforced doors and windows, strategically placed security cameras, and maybe even a few well-hidden surprises for unwanted visitors. Make your home look unassuming from the outside, while quietly fortifying it from within. It's about deterring opportunistic criminals and giving yourself a tactical advantage. Off-grid cooking, the stealth chef. Think solar ovens, rocket stoves, even a good old-fashioned campfire, if you have the space and discretion. These alternative cooking methods not only provide sustenance, but also reduce your reliance on the grid. Keep your off-grid cooking gear clean, organized, and hidden away. A true survivor knows how to adapt and improvise, especially when it comes to keeping their bellies full. Harnessing the power of the sun isn't just good for the environment. It's a game changer when the grid goes down. DIY solar-powered devices can keep your essential electronics running. Self-reliance is key in a survival situation, and solar power gives you the freedom to generate your own energy without drawing attention. In the wilderness, a good knife is worth its weight in gold, but in a societal collapse, a discreet, high-quality blade, along with a sturdy multi-tool, become essential companions. Think practical, durable, and easily concealable. A fixed blade knife for heavier tasks and a folding knife for everyday carry are ideal. These tools are about preparedness, not aggression. Use them wisely, keep them sharp, and most importantly, keep them out of sight. When darkness falls and the power grid is down, a reliable source of light becomes more than just a convenience, it's a necessity. LED torches and headlamps are your best bet. They're compact, energy efficient, and pack a surprising punch when it comes to illumination. Keep a variety of torches and headlamps strategically placed throughout your home. Darkness can be your ally in a survival situation, but only if you're prepared to navigate it. Firearms, a responsible choice. Firearms are a serious responsibility not to be taken lightly. If you choose to own firearms, do so legally, safely, and with extensive training. In a world gone sideways, having the means to protect yourself and your loved ones can be a difficult decision you're grateful you made. Store your firearms responsibly, securely, and out of sight. The last thing you want is for them to fall into the wrong hands. False containers. Hiding in plain sight. These cleverly disguised containers look like everyday objects, but inside, they hold your most valuable possessions. This could be emergency cash, jewelry, important documents, or even a spare key to your bug-out vehicle. These discreet hiding spots keep your valuables safe from prying eyes. The key to a good false container is that it blends in seamlessly with its surroundings. The more ordinary it looks, the less likely it is to be discovered. Water purification, liquid gold. Water is life, and in a survival situation, access to clean drinking water is non-negotiable. From portable water filters to UV purification pens, there are plenty of options to choose from. Keep your chosen purification method discreetly stored, along with a good supply of water storage containers. You don't want to advertise your ability to create clean water. It's a valuable resource that others will be desperate for. Having a reliable water purification system keeps you hydrated and prevents waterborne illnesses. Emergency medical supplies, your discreet health arsenal. When disaster strikes, access to medical care might be limited or non-existent. That's why having a well-stocked first aid kit and emergency medical supplies is crucial. Keep your medical supplies discreetly stored, organized, and out of sight. These supplies are for you and your loved ones. While you might be willing to help others, you can't be responsible for everyone's well-being. Alternative currencies beyond the dollar. In a major economic collapse, our traditional financial systems could crumble. Having a small stash of alternative currencies can be a lifesaver when cash is worthless. Discretion is key here. Keep your alternative currencies safely hidden and be very cautious about who you tell. Advanced security systems like motion sensors, security cameras, and even silent alarms can provide an extra layer of protection for your home. The key here is discretion. Don't advertise your security measures. Keep them hidden and effective. A secure home is a safe home, and these advanced security systems act as your silent guardians. A well-stocked pantry is a thing of beauty, especially when the grocery store shelves are bare. Long-term food storage, think rice, beans, canned goods, and other non-perishable items, is essential for riding out extended emergencies. Keep your long-term food storage organized, discreetly stored, and rotating regularly to prevent spoilage. A well-fed family is a strong family, and having a stockpile of long-term food storage ensures that you can weather the storm. When the power grid goes down, so does our reliance on modern conveniences. Having backup power sources like generators, solar generators, or even a well-maintained car battery can mean the difference between comfort and chaos. Choose your backup power sources carefully, prioritize fuel efficiency and noise reduction, and keep them discreetly stored and operated. Self-sufficiency is about more than just surviving. It's about thriving, even when the world around you is in turmoil. There you have it, folks. 20 essential preps to keep those nosy neighbors at bay. Preparedness isn't about paranoia, it's about responsibility. Take care of yourself and your loved ones when the unexpected happens. Discretion is your greatest ally. Protect your resources and maintain control in uncertain times. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep those secrets close. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips.